Are you living your life in fear? If so, you are leading a very constricted life. In fact, you may not really even be living at all. Fear is a combination, actually, of thoughts and feelings, because you're having thoughts, trepidations about doing something, confronting something, doing some sort of action. That's the thought. But there's also the fear, which is translated into anxiety, because thinking about it over time, over months, over years, is not going to make it better. In fact, it makes it worse. The fears get bigger and bigger and bigger the longer you let them go. You've got to go after them. Who cares? Most people don't care. They really don't care. It's all within you. I mean, I'm not saying to insult people or to do something rash or crazy, but it may be that just to voice your opinion, let's say. They're afraid to voice their opinion. But that's not going to get you anywhere in life. And the earlier in life you realize that, the sooner you will take action. But it's a gradual process. But that is absolutely 100% one of the greatest fears, is wondering and thinking, what will other people think? So the first thing you need to do, or the first thing the person needs to do, is to make a list of all their fears, starting with the most threatening to the least threatening. And what the best way of handling it is to challenge, for that person to challenge themselves to confront the very first fear, the easiest fear to confront. And once they're able to get past that, it's going to build their confidence. And they're going to notice a major change in their lives when their lives are free of fear. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was relevant to your needs. Please make your comments below. As always, I remind you, drink, and drink abundantly from the fountain of life. See you next time.